Did you ever want to expand your business branding while saving on taxes? What if I told you the gifts you give your customers can accomplish just that? Stick around as we break down business gifts. Hey there, tax warriors. Welcome to JDB Tax. I'm Brian Eustache, a gold agent and tax strategist, but I call myself a taxtician, a tax tactician leveraging the tax code to the fullest extent. And with this segment of Tax Tactics, we're tackling a topic that can save some money while keeping your customers happy: business gifts. When it comes to business gifts and tax deductions, a deduction is not available for business gifts made in excess of $25 to a person during the tax year. Also, any item that could be considered entertainment cannot be deducted. For example, no tickets to a show or the movies. Also, if a taxpayer gives a gift to a member of a customer's family, the gift is generally considered an indirect gift to the customer. But this rule doesn't apply if the taxpayer has their own independent business connection with that family member and the gift is not meant for the first customer's eventual use. Let me give you an example. A dad buys two items from your store. He lets you know that one was for his daughter. If you give a gift to the dad and his daughter as a thank you, you can only deduct up to $25. But let's say the dad buys one item and he recommends his daughter buy one too. She's now a separate customer because of the independent business connection. You can now write off up to $50. Also, if you'd like to see more tax content like this, hit the like and comment down below. Now, if the taxpayer and the taxpayer's spouse both give gifts, the IRS treats them as one taxpayer. Doesn't matter whether they have separate businesses or separately employed, or whether they each have an independent connection with a recipient. If a partnership gives gifts, the IRS treats the partnership and the partners as one taxpayer. Here's an example. Tom sells products to a local company. He and his wife, Tina, gave the local company 3 gourmet gift baskets to thank them for their business. They paid $80 for each gift basket, so $240 in total. 3 of the local company's executives took the gift baskets home for their families. Tom and Tina have no independent business relationships with any of the executives' other family members, so they can only deduct a total of $75. That's the $25 limit times the 3 gift baskets. Now that we know the limitations on the deduction, here's a tip that helps when utilizing gifts. Incidental costs, such as engraving on jewelry or packaging, insuring the package, and mailing it out, are generally not included in determining the cost of a gift for the purpose of the $25 limit. A cost is incidental only if it doesn't add substantial value to the gift. For example, the cost of gift wrapping is an incidental cost. However, the purchase of an ornamental basket for packaging fruit isn't an incidental cost if the value of the basket is substantial compared to the value of the fruit. Here's an exception. The following items are not considered gifts for the purpose of that $25 limit. An item that costs $4 or less and has the business name clearly and permanently imprinted on the gift and is one of several identical items you widely distribute. Examples include pens, desk sets, and tote bags. Also, signs, display racks, or other promotional material to be used on the business premises of the recipient is not included in that $25 limit. Giving a gift from your company can be a great way for customer relations and branding to grow. While you can give away any gift you want, when it comes to deductions, you can write off gifts if you remember that. One, it's a $25 deduction cap per gift per individual each tax year. 2, gifts to a customer's family members are seen as gifts to the customer unless a direct business relationship exists. 3, gifts from a spouse are combined under one deduction limit by the IRS. 4, costs like engraving and shipping don't count towards the $25 limit. 5. Incidental costs must not significantly increase the gift's value. And 6, exemptions to the limit include cheap items with your logo and certain promotional materials. If you keep detailed records of all the business gifts and the related costs, and if you're unsure on how to do it, just consult a tax expert, like a tax strategist. That's why JDB Tax Strategy helps business owners legally save money on taxes without fear of the IRS by leveraging the tax code to the fullest extent. After booking a consultation call with us at jdbtax.com, we'll build a personalized battle plan to minimize your tax burden and maximize your wealth. So subscribe, hit that notification bell, and click all to join me on this epic quest to conquer taxes and claim your financial throne. I post tax tactics every Tuesday and Thursday. See you next time, tax warriors.